Hello class, welcome back in our online discussion in this course, Thesis Writing. And we will proceed now in the conclusion part, which is you can find this conclusion in the chapter 3. So your conclusion would answer the main problem. So if you will go back to the chapter 1, in which you can find the statement of the problem, there is a main problem and sub-problems. So this part is the main problem, and this 1, 2, and 3 is the sub-problems. So in the upper part, this is the main problem. So the conclusion must answer the main problem. Or the other term for the statement of the problem is the objective. So this study aimed to determine the challenges faced by BSHM students on the professional courses with laboratories school year 2019-2020. So the objective of the study is to determine the challenges faced by the BSHM students on professional courses with laboratories. So this is the statement of the problem. Okay. So it must answer the conclusion must answer the statement of the problem. So let's proceed to again, the statement of the problem can be found in page number 12. And this is on the chapter 1. So we will proceed to the chapter 3. Again, for the chapter 2, that is the analysis and interpretation of your data. And for the chapter 3 is the summary, findings, conclusions, and recommendations. So again, the conclusion should answer the main problem. Okay, this part is the main problem. Again, what's the main problem or the objective of the study? To determine the challenges faced by the BSHM students on the professional courses with laboratories in the school year 2019-2020. So we will check the conclusion if it answers the main problem. So this is the conclusion. It can be found in page 29 of this sample study. So according to the findings of the study, the hospitality management students encountered difficulties or different difficulties during their laboratory. So they encountered difficulties during their laboratory. So it answers the main problems. It talks about the laboratories and the challenges. Okay, so they use the term difficulties, so that is the other term for challenges. Nonetheless, despite the challenges, still able to manage on working out on their laboratories. It has also been discovered that regardless of whether the indicators express themselves in negative or positive statements, they believe that those indicators significantly influence their performance in lab activities or laboratory activities. And also, based on the findings, it is possible to conclude that there is no need to develop an action plan, a plan that can assist or enhance the capabilities of the students in doing laboratory work activities. So we can observe that the conclusion answered the question of the main problem. Again, the main problem or the objective is to determine the challenges faced. So they want to know what are the challenges faced by the BSHM students on professional courses with laboratories with the backup of sub-problems here. Respondents' profile, perceptions of the respondents regarding the challenges of laboratory-based education in terms of these 4 indicators. And also number 3, based on the findings, what action plan may be proposed to enhance the students' capabilities in doing laboratory activities. Again, let's go back to the main problem. So the study aimed to determine the challenges faced by the BSHM students on the professional courses with laboratories. So according to the findings of the study, hospitality management. So this is already the conclusion. So in the chapter 2, it is well discussed about the findings. It discuss about the interpretation of the data. So we jump into the conclusion, which answers the main problem. So again, according to the findings of the study, hospitality management students encounter different difficulties during their laboratories. Okay, so on and so forth. So that is a very simple discussion. Again, the conclusion must answer the main problem. Okay, so the main problem is found in the statement of the problem in chapter 1, and conclusion can be found in chapter 3. So I hope that you have learned something on this video, and don't forget to submit your assignment for this particular discussion. Bye bye.